Now the other kind of equation we get is not in y equals mx plus b form, so we have to convert it first. So let's take the first one, 7x minus 4y equals to 12. We subtract 7x from both sides. We get minus 4y equals minus 7x plus 12. That's the invisible plus sign there. And we divide by negative 4. Why are we doing this? Because we're solving for y. And when we solve for y, we're going to get an equation in the form y equals mx plus b, which helps us work very efficiently with what we have. So this is 7 over 4x. Negative divided by a negative is positive. And then 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3, right? So we have our m now, our slope, and our y-intercept. M equals 7 over 4, and our y-intercept b is 0, negative 3. That's our starting point on the graph. And we hold that thought for a second because that's what we're going to need. And when we do graph it, that's what we're going to need. Hold that now. We still have to work on the second equation. That's x minus 2y equals negative 4. X minus 2y equals negative 4. And for that, we subtract x on both sides. We get minus 2y equals minus x plus 4. Divide by negative 2. And we get, oh, got to get over here so you can see it. Now we get y equal to, now a negative divided by a negative again is positive. So we have 1/2 x plus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So we have the two lines now. This is our slope is 1/2. Our b is 0, negative 2. And we're ready to graph this system of equations. We're going to get two lines and we're going to see where they cross. And then we'll find our point of intersection as our solution point. Here's a graph. First one, 0, negative 3, 0, negative 3, up 7 over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then over 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have our first line right on through there. Our second line is 1/2. Slope is 1/2, and 0, negative 2 is our y-intercept. So we're down 2 this time, and then we go up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2, and our point of intersection is going to be somewhere in here. It's a little hard to see these. We can go in a little closer if you want, and we can then see that as we go ahead and draw this line. There's going to be a place where they both intersect, and that would be right about there. So right about there is our solution to this system of inequations. That's our solution, and it's where the points, or where the lines intersect, where they come together, where they cross. It's the one place where that will satisfy both equations. And now we kind of have to estimate it. It's not very precise in order to figure that out. And it's approximately 1, negative 1.5, approximately. But at least visually we can see it's where the lines cross. That's the main thing. Hope it helps.